Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Goods Guru.
Today I'm reviewing this Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, which is also a spiralizer and a slicer for vegetables. So what just came out is the main console, the very top of the chopper. As I'm unboxing right now, I'm pulling out all the different pieces that comes with it. It actually comes with a lot of different attachments. The chopper come out with 4 incredible blades that left you julienne chop and sliced vegetable with ease. The blades are rust resistant and heavy duty 420 stainless steel retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. I really like the way the blades just snap in and out with ease. You just have a little switch on the bottom that unlocks and locks, and so you could change out the blades really quickly. And when handling this chopper, you gotta be very careful not to touch the blades, because any part of the blade will be very sharp and cut your fingers. I've seen this chopper over social media, so I was just curious on how to use this myself. After I watched it, I was able to try my first vegetables here. As you can see, I just did some celery, and the key to this chopper is that you can't have more than one layer of vegetables. So I was laying it on too thick in the beginning. I couldn't really do it. As soon as I switched to just one layer of vegetable, it was perfect. And as you can see, the celery was chopped a nice amount, and I was using like a bigger square one because I just needed to chop coarsely, because I saw it in with some ground beef, and I've so really enjoyed chopping it. The celery, and it does save me a lot of time chopping up by myself. Look at these nice vegetables, nice celery all chopped up right there. Next up are the onions. So the onion you want to have a good amount, not too thick. So you can see there's a little slice of onion right there, and I chop it very fast. I really like the way it chopped the onions. It was very crisp. All the pieces were nicely distinct and not smooshed or anything like that. Very crisp cut. So the blades are like super sharp. I totally believe it. Now next, oh my gosh, I love chopping the tomatoes. Holy cow, I can't believe it. I think this machine is definitely worth it just for tomato. So this little mama approved. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and reviews. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Kitchen Good Guru.